Why don't governments like cryptocurrency? Because you can't inflate what you can't control. Hello there, fellow cryptonauts. Today, we're venturing into the world of Binance, a platform that makes buying and selling cryptocurrencies a breeze. We'll take you through every nook and cranny, transforming the complex into the comprehensible. From setting up an account to making your first trade, we've got you covered. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Binance trading? Buckle up, because this will be an enlightening journey. The first step in your Binance journey is creating an account. And trust me, it's easier than trying to explain Bitcoin to your grandparents. All right, let's get started. Head over to Binance's website and click on the Register button. You'll be asked to enter your email address, so make sure to use one that you have access to because you'll need to verify it later. Now here's the tricky part, choosing a password. While password 1234 might be easy to remember, it won't do much to protect your account. So, select a strong password, one that includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's like creating a digital fortress to secure your future crypto empire. But your security measures shouldn't stop there. Once you've chosen your password, you'll be prompted to enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Think of 2FA as the moat around your fortress. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, usually a code sent to your mobile device. So even if someone does guess your super secure password, they won't get very far without your phone. After you've set up 2FA, you'll need to verify your email address. Simply click on the link Binance sends to your email, and you're all set. You've just created your Binance account. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've got an account, now what? Well, you're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading. But before you dive in, it's important to familiarize yourself with the platform. You see, Binance isn't just a cryptocurrency exchange, it's a comprehensive trading platform with a variety of features designed to help you navigate the crypto seas. From spot trading to futures contracts, staking to savings, Binance has a lot to offer, but don't worry, we'll be exploring all of these features in the upcoming scenes. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to learn how to navigate the Binance platform. So strap in, and let's get ready to chart a course through the world of cryptocurrency trading. Navigating a new trading platform can be daunting, but don't worry, Binance makes it a breeze. The Binance platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It's like a well-organized library, each section carefully curated for your convenience. One of the first things you'll notice is the dashboard. Think of this as your command center, where you can see all your holdings, recent transactions, and market trends at a glance. It's like your personal financial newsfeed, keeping you up to date with your crypto journey. Next up, we have the wallet. This is where your cryptocurrencies live. It's like a digital vault that keeps your digital assets safe and secure. Deposit, withdraw, or simply view your balances here. Remember, your wallet is your best friend in crypto trading. Then there's the markets section. This is where the magic happens. You can view all available trading pairs, monitor price movements, and watch those candlestick charts dance. It's like the stock exchange of the crypto world, buzzing with activity around the clock. The trade section is where you make your moves. Buy, sell, convert. This is where you take action. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor, this is your playground. The futures and derivatives section, well, that's for the more adventurous among you. This is where you can trade futures contracts and other complex financial instruments. It's like the Wild West of crypto trading, not for the faint-hearted. And don't forget the earn section. This is where you can put your crypto to work. Stake, lend, or participate in liquidity pools to earn passive income. It's like your digital bank, offering various ways to grow your crypto wealth. Finally, there's the more section. Here you'll find a plethora of additional features, from the Binance Academy for learning to the Binance card for spending your crypto. It's like the bonus section filled with hidden gems. Now that you know your way around, let's get to the fun part, trading. Buying your first cryptocurrency on Binance is as easy as buying a cup of coffee. Now let's delve into the action. Imagine you're standing in front of a digital vending machine, Binance being the machine. and cryptocurrencies being the goodies inside. You have a vast selection of coins to choose from, each with their unique flavor and potential for growth. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, the options are plentiful. It's like choosing between a cappuccino, latte, or a flat white. Choosing the right cryptocurrency is crucial. Each coin is a world unto itself with its unique attributes, community, and potential for growth. It's like choosing your coffee beans. You'd want to pick the ones that suit your palate the most. So, take your time, do your research, and make an informed choice. Once you've chosen your preferred cryptocurrency, it's time to set a price. In the world of crypto, this is akin to haggling at a marketplace. You set a limit order, which is the maximum or minimum price you're willing to buy or sell your chosen cryptocurrency. If you're not in the mood for haggling, you can opt for a market order, which will execute your trade at the current market price. Now comes the exciting part, finalizing the purchase. Once you've set your order and are happy with the price, click on the Buy button. And voila, you've just made your first cryptocurrency purchase on Binance. Remember, the crypto market is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you can enjoy your digital coffee at any time of the day. And the best part, you don't even have to step out of your house. So let's raise a toast to your first crypto purchase. Here's to many more to come. Congratulations on your first cryptocurrency purchase. But what if you want to sell your coins? Well, that's a story for another day, or rather, the next scene. So stay tuned. Selling your crypto on Binance is just as easy as buying it, at least once you've gotten the hang of it, and that's exactly what we're about to do. So let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, you have to decide which cryptocurrency you want to sell. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin you've previously bought or traded. Navigate to your wallet, and there you'll see a list of all your assets. Choose the one you want to sell, and click on it. Now, you're going to need to set a price for your sale. This is where your market analysis skills come into play. You want to set a price that's competitive, but also profitable for you. If the current market price isn't to your liking, don't worry. You can set a limit order to sell your crypto when it reaches a certain price. This way, you don't have to constantly monitor the markets. Binance will automatically execute the sale once your target price is hit. But what if you need to sell your crypto right away? Well, that's where market order comes into the picture. With a market order, you sell your crypto at the best available price in the market at that moment. It's quick, it's easy, but it also means you have less control over the selling price. Once you've decided on the price and type of order, click on Sell. A confirmation window will pop up showing the details of your transaction. Review everything one last time, and if all looks good, click on Confirm, and voila, you've just sold your crypto. The proceeds from the sale will be added to your Binance account balance, ready for you to withdraw or use for future trades. Remember, selling your crypto is not the end of your cryptocurrency journey. It's just another step in the process. So, keep learning, keep trading, and keep exploring the world of crypto. And just like that, you've completed your first sale on Binance, but there's still more to learn. So, stick around as we continue our journey through the ins and outs of Binance. Binance is more than just a trading platform. It's a complete ecosystem for crypto enthusiasts. Dive in, and you'll find a treasure trove of features designed to make your crypto journey smoother and more rewarding. Let's start with staking. Have you ever dreamt of earning passive income while you sleep? Well, with Binance staking, this dream can become a reality. When you stake your coins, you're essentially locking them up for a set period. In return, you'll receive rewards, usually in the form of additional coins. It's like having a savings account, but with crypto. But maybe you're a thrill seeker, someone who enjoys the adrenaline rush of a roller coaster ride. If so, futures trading might be right up your alley. With Binance Futures, you can speculate on the future price of a cryptocurrency. If your prediction is correct, you could make a tidy profit. But remember, with great potential rewards come great risks. Always trade responsibly. Now, what if you're constantly on the move, a digital nomad perhaps, or just someone who prefers doing things on your smartphone? Well, Binance has got you covered. With their mobile app, you can trade, stake, and manage your portfolio right from your smartphone. It's crypto trading made easy and accessible no matter where you are. And let's not forget about the Binance Academy. It's a free resource packed with articles, videos, and tutorials to help you understand the ins and outs of the crypto world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, you'll find something valuable here. Lastly, Binance also offers a peer-to-peer trading platform. It's a marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, using your preferred payment method. It's another way Binance is making crypto trading more flexible and convenient for its users. Binance truly is a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. So why not dive in and explore? Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. And that, my friends, is how you use Binance. We've journeyed through the basics, but remember, there's a whole universe of advanced features waiting for you to discover. Embrace curiosity, dive into exploration, and you'll find Binance is more than just a trading platform. It's an adventure, a quest for knowledge in the vast, exciting world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more cryptocurrency tips. And remember, the world of crypto is vast and full of opportunities, so keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun doing it. I'm Joshua Carnival, and this is my channel. Let us know by like if something from this video was new or important for you. Comment below with any topic that sparks your curiosity or ignites your passion, and let's dive deeper together. Your voice matters. Stay tuned for a whirlwind of captivating content. Your journey with us is just beginning. Hit subscribe and brace yourself for a wild ride.